राजा ने अपने मंत्री को दंडित किया। The king punished his minister. The king punished his minister. पुराने किले की मरम्मत हुई। The old fort was repaired. The old fort was repaired. उसकी लापरवाही से दुर्घटना हुई। The accident happened due to his carelessness. The accident happened due to his carelessness. विज्ञान ने कई रहस्यों को उजागर किया। Science revealed many secrets. Science revealed many secrets. दोनों पक्षों ने समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए। Both parties signed the agreement. Both parties signed the agreement. अचानक संगीत बंद हो गया। Suddenly the music ceased. Suddenly the music ceased. पुरातत्वविदों ने एक प्राचीन कलाकृति खोजी। The archaeologists discovered an ancient artifact. The archaeologists discovered an ancient artifact. गवाह ने अदालत में सच्चाई बयां की। The witness testified to the truth in court. The witness testified to the truth in court. मैंने तुम्हारे इरादे को भांप लिया। I perceived your intention. I perceived your intention. पिछले हफ्ते ही वह अपने पद से सेवानिवृत्त हुआ। He retired from his position only last week. He retired from his position only last week. उन्होंने हमारे प्रस्ताव को सर्वसम्मति से खारिज कर दिया। They unanimously rejected our proposal. They unanimously rejected our proposal. तूफान ने पूरे तटीय क्षेत्र को तबाह कर दिया। The storm devastated the entire coastal region. The storm devastated the entire coastal region. सरकारी अध्यादेश तुरंत लागू हो गया। The government ordinance came into effect immediately. The government ordinance came into effect immediately. कठिन समय में उन्होंने अत्यधिक धैर्य का परिचय दिया। He showed extreme patience during the difficult time. He showed extreme patience during the difficult time. मैंने उसकी बात पर विश्वास करने से इनकार कर दिया। I refused to believe his statement. I refused to believe his statement. हमने उस समस्या का समाधान ढूंढा। We found the solution to that problem. We found the solution to that problem. इतिहासकारों ने घटना के कारणों का विश्लेषण किया। The historians analyzed the causes of the event. The historians analyzed the causes of the event. उसने अपनी पूरी संपत्ति दान कर दी। He donated his entire wealth. He donated his entire wealth. वह पिछली शताब्दी में रहता था। He lived in the last century. He lived in the last century. हमने उस जोखिम भरे काम को सफलतापूर्वक अंजाम दिया। We successfully executed that risky task. We successfully executed that risky task. मैंने खाना खाया। I ate the food. I ate the food. तुमने कल क्या किया? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? उसने एक गाना गाया। She sang a song. She sang a song. वे जल्दी चले गए। They left early. They left early. हम बाजार गए थे। We went to the market. We went to the market. सूर्य कल शाम को अस्त हुआ। The sun set yesterday evening. The sun set yesterday evening. मैंने ये किताब पढ़ी। I read this book. I read this book. वह जोर से हंसा। He laughed loudly. He laughed loudly. हमने फिल्म देखी। We watched a movie. We watched a movie. अध्यापक ने पाठ पढ़ाया। The teacher taught the lesson. The teacher taught the lesson. मैंने तुम्हें फोन किया था। I called you. I called you. तुमने दरवाजा खोला। You opened the door. You opened the door. उन्होंने पत्र लिखा। They wrote a letter. They wrote a letter. बच्चे पार्क में खेले। The children played in the park. The children played in the park. उसने सच बोला। She spoke the truth. She spoke the truth. मैंने तुम्हें माफ कर दिया। I forgave you. I forgave you. हमने अपनी चाबियां खो दी। We lost our keys. We lost our keys. उसने मेरी मदद की। He helped me. He helped me. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा नृत्य किया। They danced very well. They danced very well. मैंने सुबह कॉफी पी। I drank coffee in the morning. I drank coffee in the morning. कल रात भूकंप आया। The earthquake occurred last night. The earthquake occurred last night. तुमने प्रतियोगिता जीती। You won the competition. You won the competition. वे हवाई अड्डे पर पहुंचे। They arrived at the airport. They arrived at the airport. डॉक्टर ने मरीज की जांच की। The doctor examined the patient. The doctor examined the patient. मैंने अपना बटुआ गिरा दिया। I dropped my wallet. I dropped my wallet. उसने अपनी परीक्षा पास कर ली। She passed her exam. She passed her exam. हम 1 घंटे तक चले। We walked for an hour. We walked for an hour. चोर भाग गया। The thief ran away. The thief ran away. मैंने अपना काम समय पर पूरा किया। I finished my work on time. I finished my work on time. तुम क्यों रोए? Why did you cry? Why did you cry? उसने एक नई कार खरीदी। He bought a new car. He bought a new car. वे कल यहाँ आए। They came here yesterday. They came here yesterday. हमने एक पुरानी इमारत देखी। We saw an old building. We saw an old building. मैंने उसे पैसे दिए। I gave him the money. I gave him the money. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? उसने मुझे एक कहानी सुनाई। She told me a story. She told me a story. हमने समुद्र तट पर तैरना सीखा। We learned to swim at the beach. We learned to swim at the beach. वह देर से उठा। He woke up late. He woke up late. मैंने तस्वीर बनाई। I drew a picture. I drew a picture. उन्होंने समझौता स्वीकार किया। They accepted the agreement. They accepted the agreement. तुमने मेरी बात सुनी। Did you hear me? Did you hear me? उसने अपनी नौकरी छोड़ दी। She quit her job. She quit her job. हमने एक नए घर में प्रवेश किया। We moved into a new house. We moved into a new house. मैंने अपना फोन खो दिया। I lost my phone. I lost my phone. उसने टोपी पहनी। He wore a cap. He wore a cap. तुमने वह पुस्तक कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep that book? Where did you keep that book? वे ट्रेन से यात्रा करते थे। They traveled by train. They traveled by train. मैंने कल कोई गलती नहीं की। I did not make any mistake yesterday. I did not make any mistake yesterday. उसने एक फूल तोड़ा। She plucked a flower. She plucked a flower. हमने अपनी गलती मान ली। We admitted our mistake. We admitted our mistake. मैं सो गया। I slept. I slept. उसने चुप रहने का फैसला किया। He decided to stay quiet. He decided to stay quiet. मैंने तुम्हें सच बताया। I told you the truth. I told you the truth. उन्होंने एक नया पुल बनाया। They built a new bridge. They built a new bridge. तुमने अपना वादा तोड़ा. You broke your promise. You broke your promise. उसने गेंद फेंकी. She threw the ball. She threw the ball. मैंने उसे लिफ्ट दी. I gave him a ride. I gave him a ride. हम पिछली रात बहुत हंसे. We laughed a lot last night. We laughed a lot last night. मैंने कल कुछ नहीं खाया. I did not eat anything yesterday. I did not eat anything yesterday. तुम कहाँ भागे? Where did you run? Where did you run? उसने मुझे धक्का दिया. He pushed me. He pushed me. वे बहुत देर तक लड़े. They fought for a long time. They fought for a long time. मैंने उसे देखा. I saw her. I saw her. तुमने उसे क्यों डांटा? Why did you scold him? Why did you scold him? उसने अपना नाम नहीं बताया. She did not tell her name. She did not tell her name. मैंने उसे एक उपहार भेजा. I sent him a gift. I sent him a gift. हमने पानी पिया. We drank water. We drank water. कल बहुत गर्मी थी. It was very hot yesterday. It was very hot yesterday. तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी. You did not listen to me. You did not listen to me.